I've got a knife here today that looks different from almost anything else in my collection, and that's the ArtisanCutlery Orthodox V2. The main feature here is the style. It's designed to mimic a classic straight razor, which gives this incredible, elegant and unique look. It's definitely a different take on a traditional EDC knife. If you want something that stands out and just looks clean, this is it. The updated V2 has this great G10 handle with a refined contour that makes it look and feel fantastic. Despite its large 3.5-inch blade, the V2 is really lightweight to carry. You truly forget it's in your pocket, which is fantastic for a knife this size. For the blade steel, we have the AR RPM 9, which gives you a good edge retention and corrosion resistance. When you look at the build and quality, the perfect fit and finish, and the smooth flipper action running on a ceramic ball bearings, you realize this knife is a good quality for the price. If you're tired of the same old look and want a lightweight, elegant knife with a modern materials that won't break the bank, the Orthodox V2 should be at the top of your list. It's sleek, it's capable, and it's a total conversation starter. You gotta check it out.